I made $500 profit using AI signal trading on Deriv Rise and Fall. If you tried of guessing market direction and blowing trading accounts, then this video could change the way you trade forever. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Rocket. Today's video, I will show you how I use the AI-powered signal available on my website, my toolkit.netlify.app, together with my premium money management system called Binary Magic Table to identify trading opportunities on Deriv Rise and Fall. You will learn how to access the AI trading signals, how to apply the Binary Magic money management system, how to manage risk properly, and how I use these tools to improve consistency in my trading. Make sure you watch until the end because I will also share important tips that can help you avoid common mistakes traders make when using signals. Let's get started. So, on your Chrome browser or any browser you're using, please enter my toolkit.netlify.app. Visit on the tabs, visit binary option toolkit. Then you will now open your Deriv app. If you don't have Deriv app, you can go to website and copy my referral link and open this particular and open your Deriv account. So once you are done, you fund your account and you select Rise and Fall. Then your capital, you open Binary Magic Table, which can also be accessible right here, which can be also accessible on shop, which can be also accessible here. So when you open it and you make sure that you input the initial capital from Deriv, which is this. You put the initial capital here, then you put your total trading account. On Deriv can start by 0.5. So let's see if we reduce this from 9 to maybe 10 steps. Maybe if we reduce it to 10 steps, we are still having 0.71, so it's still okay. So in Deriv, we can also put 0.75, 0.71, sorry. So we can also put 0.71. Okay. So so we can put 0.71, which is our stake amount. We'll put it right here, 0.71, and we'll now set our daily target. I'll set our daily target today to be 10, and we'll now our daily target should be 10. Sorry. Then we will log in our initial journal. We log it in and check. We have seen it. We log in the date and the initial balance here. So if we go back and we now enter to our AI signal, which is up right here. Okay. Once you open the website, once you open the binary toolkit, it will show you the AI signal direct. It will show you AI signal direct. Okay. So we open it like this, and you select Deriv synthetics. Then you select 1 second or 1 tick, sorry. Then if you go to this place you select, you make sure you configure your account to be 1 tick, and our duration should be 15 seconds. All right, so that will be the end of this for the setting. So you make sure that you have seen your account, you've seen it like this. You reduce it so that you see the direction in which the line is going. We are not using candlesticks, we are using area line. So if we go to this place, we will now start our first trade with a volatility 10 index. We have other ones here, but there is no S. It's just pure volatility index. So if we select 10 and we'll go to this place and generate signal, it will now generate signal and will show you down. So we'll go to fall and select sell, and let's see what it will give us. And remember, we are using our money management system. Our first trade have been triggered right now, so let's see what it's going to give us. So as you can see, this is not like pocket option that makes sounds. So this doesn't make sounds, but we want the trade. If you go to close trade, you see volatility 10 index, we won 66. And I forgot to tell you something. And if we go to here, we'll mark winning trade, and we'll set this is one. The percentage winning, and if you put one USD, it will show you 1.92%. So that means you have 92% to win. So we can also put our 92% right here. Okay. Yes, we can also put our 92% right here. So, but we are trading on 0.5. We are trading on 0.7, sorry, 71. Okay, let's see what is going to give us 0.71 right here. So our initial stake now will be 0.71. Save. So that's next stake. So we generate another one. We enter trade win. So we have our signal 1 and trade win. So we generate another one and see what it's going to give us. It's still giving us down. So we select sell again. So let's see what it's going to give us. Select sell again. Okay. Let's see what it's going to give us. Let's see if this one is going to be a win or losing trade. So we want this one again. Okay, so if we go to here, we have seen it fall, we want it. So here, trade win, and we'll have 2 wins. And if we go to this place, we select winning trade, and we select our next reset. So it will give us sessions 2, and we have daily target of 8. And so if we go back and we generate another one, let's check if we still have 0.71. So if we go back and generate another one, let's change this to 25 index. So let's select 25 index. Let's select 25 index. So we select 25 index, and we generate signal. So let's see, it's giving us down too. So we sell. So let's see what this one is going to give us. If it's give us sell. All right. So okay. So this is lost. We lost this. So if we go to here, we just click mark trade loss. So we have our first loss here, and here too we'll mark our first loss. So next trade is 1.48. So next trade will be 1.48. So 1.48. 1.48. So that will be our next trade. So let's generate. Let's see what's going to up. So we'll go to rise and buy. So let's see what's going to give us. Let's see if this one is going to be a winning or a losing trade. Let's see what's going to give us. Okay, we lost this trade too. We lost it, so we lost the trade, and here we lost this one again. So we have 3.08. We have 3.08. Next trade 3.08, and this, sorry, I did not save it. 3.08. So save, and I'll change this to jump 10. All right, so I've changed it to jump 10. So if we go to here, we have 3.08. Then we go to my website and select jump 10 and generate. So it's telling us down, so fall, sell. So let's see what's going to give us. Let's see if this will be a winning trade. Alright, so we want this trade, winning trade. So if we go to this place and we select winning trade, and we go to here and we select this one, winning trade. Alright, we click on reset. We have 3 sessions going. I will have 8.05. So if we go back here, let's see, we still have 0.71. So we have input 0.71, save, and we generate signal. We still have down, and we sell. Okay, so let's see what's going to give us. Okay, we win this one, winning trade. So we win the trade, we mark, we win this one too. So we set, we have 4 sessions, and we go to, and we check, we still have 0.171, and if we go to our Deriv, we still have 0.71. So we generate another signal down, so we still enter down. Okay, there is network issue. Let me refresh my system. So I'll generate another one. Okay, now it's up, so we buy. We buy this one and see what's going to give us. Okay, we win. I'll use today is winning trade, so we select win. All right, so we still have 0.71. We have 0.71, and okay, we generate another one again, up again, so buy up. Okay, my network again. And then contract goes down. Let me change it. Let me see, go to 10. So let me skip and generate again. Down. So let's see. Down. So let's see what this trade is going to give us. Okay, we want this one. So we mark this as trade. Set. So we have 6.1 remaining, and our session is 6. Okay, so we check we still have 0.71. All right, so we put our 0.71 here. We'll make sure, and if we check our balance, we have 1023.16. We have 1022.99, almost the same thing. Okay, so that's what we have here. So now we now generate another one down. Okay, contract. Okay, we'll change to 100. Change to 100. Jump to 100. So let's change to 100 and see. We still have down. We have down. We have down. So let's see. Okay, it's a win. It's a win trade. So select our winning trade. We have 5.45, and we still have 0.71 here. Okay, so 0.71 still going. So we generate another signal up. So buy. let's see what's going to give us. Let's see what's going to give us. Okay, we lost this one. We lost it. So we select lost here and we'll go to this place. Now select loss. We'll have 1.48. Put it in 1.48. Save 1.48. So we generate. We still get up again. Get up again. Okay, it's a win. So trade is a win, and we won this one. All right. So we have 8 sessions gone. Our daily target is 4.8. So let's continue. So our daily target is 4.8 and our trade amount is still 0.71. It have not increased. So we still put our trade amount to be 0.71. 0.71. We save, and I would love to change my pair to Volatility 100 Index. I'll change it to Volatility 100 Index. So don't stay in one particular asset pair. Always change it. So let's generate. Here we have down. We have down, that's 4. So click on 4. Alright. This is what we call U-turn. But we will not panic. We will not panic. We lost this one. We will not panic. We mark lose. And here we mark lost too. So we have 11. We have 1.48. So we also put 1.48. So we will not panic. We still have 9 to go. 48. We still have 9 trades to go. So we still trade the same 100 index. It's still showing us down. So we still sell. We still sell. We still sell. We still have up to 9 times to go. So we don't need to panic. This is 100% strategy because of money management system. So we want this trade, and if you go to here too, we'll mark it as trade win. So we have 9 sessions gone, and our trade amount is still 0.71. We have 1,024.25. So if we go to here, we'll have 125 or 13, almost the same thing. So we want this one, update here. So we'll go again, we generate another trade. Down, they have down. Okay, let's change. Let us change new one. Let's change jump to jump 25. Okay, let's still go to this place and select jump 25. Jump 25. So we'll skip this one and generate for jump 25. So down. So we'll enter down. Enter down. Okay. This is a winning trade. Winning trade. So we have 10 sessions gone and $3.5 remaining in our $10 target. Okay. So let's check our trade amount is still 0.71. So we generate another one. Up, rise, that's buy. Okay, we go to jump 10. Okay, we select jump 10, we skip this one, and we generate up. All right, so let's see. Okay, we lost this one, so we mark as lost, and here mark lost 1.49. This one has increased, so we have 1 point. Oh, I made a mistake. I did not take this to 1.48. After I win one, I'm supposed to change it to 0.71, and I made the mistake. All right, so let's assume I lost this one, and I will enter 3 points, 3.10. So let's see. So let's say 3.10, but the balance will really change a lot. Yeah, so let's generate another step. So we have up, so let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, we lost this one too. We lost it too, and we lost this one. We have 647. 6.47. So we'll go again, we generate again, up again, up again. We lost this one too, so we lost it. I'll change it to volatility 100, and select loss. We have 13.50. So we generate up. Okay, volatility 100. So supposed to enter volatility 100. Volatility 100. So we'll skip and generate again. We still have up. Alright, so I've entered buy signal, and let's see. We lost this one, and this is lost. We have 28.18. 28.18. So let's go again. Okay, up again. Buy. And let's see what this one is going to give us again. Okay, we lost this too. So we lost this one. We have 58.81. 58.81. All right, so let me change another pair. Let me change it to jump 10, and change it to something. Now we generate up signal. We lost this one too. No panic, still have time to go. So we have 122.72. 122.72. Lost this one. We generate again. Down. So sell. Lost this one too. So we lost this trade. We just have 2 to go. So let's see if there will be a miracle here. We have 256.12. 256.12. Alright, so let's generate another one again. Up. So let's see what this one is going to give us. Okay, so this is a win after so many losses. It's a win. Remember, we skip one trade because there we made a mistake. We skip one trade. So if not, we're supposed to be having 2 trades remaining, but now we just have only one, and we are saved on one trade. Okay, that's the essence of using money management sheets, because you don't know what the trade is going to give you. So we'll go. We still have 0.71. We have 26 right here. Let's see how much we have. 36 here because of what we skipped earlier. So we'll still be trading it like that until we are done with our daily target. So our next trade is still 0.71. Our next trade is still 0.71. 0.71. So trade 1. So let's check. Let's check for another trade. So let's check for volatility 50. Let's try for volatility 50. Volatility 50. Config, generate. So we have down. So let's see what this one is going to give us. Okay, it's a win. So it's a winning trade, and we won this one too. So we still have 0.71. Okay, so we generate another one again. Up right now. Buy. So let's see if this is will be a winning trade or a losing trade. Okay, losing trade. There's a lot of loss here than win. Okay, we have 12. Okay, all right. So loss we have 1.49. All right, 1.49. 1.49. So generate again. Down now. We go down. Let's see what's going to give us. Okay, we lost it, and we check for next trade. We have 310. 3.10. All right, so go again down. Okay, so let's see. We lost this one too. Yeah. Trade. So we have 6.48. 6.48, and we can change another. Let's go to volatility 75. So let's change to volatility 75. Jump index volatility 75. Now we generate up. All right, so let's see. Okay, it's a win. Mark this as a win. And it's a win. Right, so we have still have 0.71. We have 0.71. 0.71. We generate again. Down. Set. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, we still win this one. Okay, so the next trade is still 0.71. The next trade is 0.71. So we generate, we win this one, we generate again. Down is down already. Let's see if we can continue down. Okay. Okay, still a win. Okay, we are coming to our end of the targets. So let's finish it up. So win trade, we generate again. Up right now. Okay, let's see up. Let's see up. All right, so this is still a win. So win, see, we have 16 wins, 14 losses, and 53% winning rate. So here, mark win, and we see our daily target is completed, and we have 16. And our target here, our normal, that's initial capital is 1,029.54 dollars. But if you go to our Deriv, you will see it will have up to 1,039 points, because of we mistakenly did not trade. We trade 1.48 somewhere down here. We trade 1.48 instead of 0.71. So we still trade with it like that, and now you can see it. We have our balance is different because of the small error I made. We have 16 sessions, and when you log in your final journal, if you go to this place, you see it. You made $10.46, and we'll have our daily sessions to be 16. This is our capital, how much we added to our capital today, and we have our balance here, and this is our accumulated money. That's the money, the earnings you make, the accumulation of it will show you here. And if we go back to if we go to our main page, and let me show you some things. For example, we have $1,000 for our initial capital, and our daily profit will start from our daily profit. We want to be getting $10. A number of days we want to trade. We want to trade our days to be 6. Maybe we have 22 days in a month, and then we'll calculate. This is how much gain we'll be making, 220. That's the how much gain we'll be making. Then assuming that um I want to be making maybe $1,000. Let me say I want to be making $1,500, and I don't know, and with my initial with the same number of days, how much daily profit should I have? I will have 22.73. That means at least I should be having $23 in it. But what if I still have $10 as my initial for my daily profit? Then, and I want to calculate how many days will it take me to reach this particular one. So if I calculate it, it will give me $50, 50 days to get to 1,500 in accumulation. Then, if for example I have $10, and I want my daily target is $10, and I want to know how many sessions I will go. So we can put here, maybe we have 1,000. Okay, let me use the exact amount, which is 1,019.8 dollars, 1,019.08 dollars. So sorry, 1,019.08 dollars. So there is dot there. So, and we have stake value, which is 71, which is 0.71, and we have our payout. Our payout should be, maybe let me say it's 92% here, so we'll put 92%, and our daily target should be $10. We use today, if you calculate it, you see 16 cycles, 16, and it's exactly 16. So you need to trade up to 16 times to exceed your daily target, which is what is here, which is correct, right? So that's it. And if you calculate how much you make in a year, in a month, you use this calculator. Then I'll show you another thing on my website. If you go to my website, don't forget, apart from AI Signal, I have AI Chat GPT, where you can chat with AI for signals. For example, if I enter new chat right here, and it will show me everything. Hold on. If I enter new chat and I start a session, and I put signal Euro USD UTC 1 minute, and I send, you see the AI will analyze the signal and tell me, yeah, Euro USD on pocket option, direction put, and expiry time. And the same thing with text option and expert option. We have AI chat scanners where you can upload your AI chats. For example, let me say where you can upload your AI chats, and okay, let it load. Go to image. I have image right here. So hold on. So I have the image right here. So if you select any chat image like this and scan, the AI will also show you where your next direction is going. Either it's going to buy or you're going to sell, as you can see, and it's give you the reason here. So we have advanced martingale. I've also shown this on my video, so you can check on my videos. You will see it. You see the main settings where you can set everything. You can put your daily target, and if your daily target is 10, you can put your daily target is 10% of this 1,000, which is 100. But if your daily target is 1, which is $10, so your risk, and this is what it will show you here. So how much your daily target, let's say your risk will be maybe 50%, or let's say even 100%. Let's say your risk is 100%. So you are risking everything, all the whole 1,000. So if you go to martingale and you put your initial stake to be 1, and or let's say, because it's drift, so let's say 0.7, That's your initial stake, and your martingale should be maybe, as you can see, your martingale still have is 9. Look at it, 9 here. So you reduce it to 9. Your martingale will be 9. And I forgot to put on something. Here must be 92%. Then if you go to here, you can check if it's more than, yes, but it's still 9. It's still 9, right? So it's still 9. So once you trade, it will be loading up here. Once you trade any, maybe you win recorded. This is your next first trade. You lost it. It will give you next trade. If you win, it will still give you 70. You win. So you win. That's how it will go on until your daily target will be completed here. You see. So you can even wipe it out and start a new session. Everything will come back to default. So the essence of this one, if you don't want to purchase this, if you don't have money yet to purchase my binary magic table, you can also go on this one. It's free of charge here. So we have risk calculator, we have winning rate calculator, we have payout calculator, and we have videos that shows how to make use of this particular tool. That's what this video will show you. And then the websites I've showed earlier of my video, where you can copy my referral links, both Pocket Option and Deriv. Then on shops, you can purchase this particular binary magic table. So that's it for binary magic toolkit. And I have inside my toolkit website, you see crypto toolkit. I'll be glancing it through one after the other, small. Then you have profit calculator, you have DCF calculator, you have arbitrage calculator where you see P2P arbitrage calculator, exchange to exchange, triangular funding, and regional. You have DCA calculator, you have return of investment, profit and loss calculator, have stake reward calculator, everything you need to get profitable on your crypto or on your crypto trading or P2P trading is here for you. So we have our Forex trading, all the whole Forex trading tools. So we have position calculator, we have risk reward calculator where you calculate your risk reward ratio. This is the drawdown calculator where you calculate it and get it simulated. Then we have compounding calculator where you calculate your compounding either monthly, weekly, or daily. We have a market section where you can get the active market session of the day, which, as you can see, this is current time, which is London session. So the next one is trade journal, where you can manually put your trade journal, although this it doesn't, it will save temporarily. And once you save temporarily for the day, you can click on save to save it. So after you put everything, you can save it in your desktop, so that once you refresh your system, it will not wipe out. So we have Profem target calculator, where you calculate your Profem target so that you will not be missing anything. That's your target, your risk reward ratio, everything is here for you. Then your Profem simulation calculator, that's where you simulate your challenge to know how many times you go to get profitable. To pass your Profem, it will show you everything you need to know here. Either initial trailing, everything you need to know will be here waiting for you. So we have a Forex arbitrage trading, where you have exchange, you have a triangular arbitrage, and we have in-exchange arbitrage. Then psychology quiz to help you in your arbitrage. You still have Profem brokers, where you see your Profem evaluation funding and IC market brokers and Profems, trusted brokers and Profems that I recommend. Then this is for polymarket trading. If you know what is polymarket, is a predicting website where you can predict markets, sports, politics, and the rest. So this is all the whole tools in probability calculator, probability odds converter, and everything, including even arbitrage. Every calculator you need is here for you. So we have sports trading, which we have odd converter, impair, everything you need in sports betting. We have value bet finder, we have e-simulator, we have Kelly credit strategy, or these are strategies. We have a hedging strategy, we have arbitrage. For those that bet on arbitrage on sports betting, you can also see your calculator here with a very good screen for you to use. And we have Martingale Fibonacci Stroke Simulator. So that's the everything you need to know. Then if you don't want to go the process of going here, you can also click this place to buy the premium binary magic toolkit. So that will be the end of today's video. If you found this training valuable and want to start using AI powered signal together with a binary magic table money management system, visit my 2k.netlify.app to learn more. Remember, no trading strategy can be guaranteed profit, so always manage your risk responsibly and trade only with funds you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you never miss future trading tutorials, signal updates, and money management strategies. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Happy trading. Thank you.